Hey guys, welcome back to Desi Airdrops YouTube channel. Now I'm going to show you how to register with Bityard Airdrop. So let us go to www.desiairdrops.com and click on hottest airdrop here to go to the Bityard. Alright, so we are already in the dashboard on the website. Alright, now click here to go to the Bityard airdrop. Well, Bityard airdrop is 6 BYD tokens worth of $6 to the community members. To participate, sign up, complete the simple social media task to receive 6 BYD tokens. You can also invite your friends and earn up to 16 BYD tokens for each valid referral. Alright, so there are 7 simple steps guys to complete the registration procedure, and we will do this. Probably let us go to know little about the Bityard. So Bityard is actually guys is an exchange. So Bityard is the world's leading cryptocurrency contracts exchange. They are headquartered in Singapore and they provide safe, easy, fast crypto asset trading services in more than 150 countries. Further, they are adhere to the product concept of complex contract simple trade and aims to bring the ultimate simplified trading experience to the customers. So Bityard contract trading you can easily hedge market risks with only a small amount of capital and without needing to purchase the actual trading assets. So if you want to know more about the Bityard airdrop, click here to go to the website guys. And yes, let's start with step number 1. Sign up at a Bityard exchange and verify your email address. Guys, I have already signed up in the exchange, but I will just like to show it to you. Probably here. Alright, now click on get started. So guys, as I always say, just give only your email address while you are registering, because sometimes you may lose your mobile phone or maybe the phone number. So in that case, please give your email address here. My email address is desiairdrops@gmail.com. Alright, and so click on the send verification button. So you'll be receiving a verification number to your email address. So get the verification address from your email address and click the and paste the verification code here, and also similarly give a password here and then click on register button. So guys, as I already registered, I'm not going to log in here, and yes, I'll probably do from here. Alright, yes. Now the moment you register guys in this exchange page, you will be getting you have to go to your email address and verify. So once you can verify and come back to you to the normal steps, log into your dashboard. And also step number 2, visit the airdrop mining page for daily mining tasks. So here you can see the daily mining tasks guys. Just simply click here to go to the daily mining. Alright, you can see some exciting tokens here now. And then step number 3, click on each token displayed on the mountain image and click collect mining tokens. Alright, so you can see here there are number of tokens. So simply click on the tokens. I'm just clicked on BTC and then here and XRP again. Yeah, so all this I'm grabbing now. I just click the Tron. Alright, so wherever you see the number, you have to click. Yep, yes, I have completely claimed my tokens. Then step number 4, go to my assets at the bottom of the page, transfer tokens to a wallet. Alright, so here are my tokens guys. Just click on the transfer button and send it to any of my wallet. Now, so I personally suggest you to daily transfer your tokens whichever you have climbed from this mountain. This is called the mining mountain. From this mining mountain, and then transfer immediately in the safer side. So step number 5, also click on the promotion to participate in the beginners reward event. Click here to go to the promotion for the beginners reward event of a Bityard. So these are the events, guys. These are beginner events, reward events. So click on each and every event and complete that task. There are 1 2 3 4 5 total 9 events are mentioned. So probably once you complete the daily reward events, probably it may go to the more entries. Alright, so step number 6, complete all the tasks listed on this page to earn up to 258 USDT. That's a very big number, so please complete all the tasks on this page to get 258 USDT. Finally, step number 7, invite your friends and earn up to 16 BYD tokens per referral. Well, that's all guys about the registration procedure for Bityard airdrop. If you like Bityard, don't forget to upvote and comment below. Follow us on Telegram, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter for fastest, legit, latest and exclusive airdrops. In addition to this, please subscribe to our newsletter to receive new airdrops every day in your inbox for absolutely free. Have a happy airdropping. Bye bye.